Hey guys, Joey here with Furnace RV. Today we were troubleshooting the Suburban furnace, and the furnace wasn't turning on for the customer when he would turn on the thermostat. It was doing nothing, so we identified the location of the furnace, and on this specific model, it is an Air XL, which is made by Suburban. We won't get into the model number because we'll have to pull it out to do that, but one of the things we'll check is we'll check voltage on the battery, make sure we got enough power. But in this case, it was the thermostat. So on the back side of this thermostat, it's just a 2-wire system. And the thermostat, when you open it up here inside, you can see that it actually had a little cut in one of the fine wires. It's hard to show you because I'll go ahead and do it real quick here. So what I mean by that is it's not actually the real name for it, but this wire that crosses across here in the back, it's actually got a cut in it in the middle there. So you could probably solder it back together and make it work. But these are cheap enough that we're just going to replace the thermostat. But how do we know the thermostat was bad? So because this is a 2-wire system, we can take both these wires, and remember, this is low voltage, and we can just twist them together, and that acts just like a thermostat. You can see I twisted both the wires together. Come back here, furnace is running like a dream. Give her a minute, she fires up, burns off. Now we're starting to get closer to furnace season here, so you guys, if you got your RV in storage and you're getting ready to go use it, you might want to go test your furnace and give it a good blowout service, or hire someone to come service it. But this is a pretty simple fix. Take a tech probably 10-15 minutes to diagnose the situation in most cases, if it's a 2-wire analog system. And you know, it probably shouldn't bill you any more than an hour if he's got a minimum and he's mobile. So if you guys have any questions on Suburban furnaces, feel free to comment below. We're going to make a whole bunch of videos on RV furnace repair this season. So if you're in Clark County, Washington, and you need your furnace serviced, give Cannon's RV Repair and we'll come out and we'll get her fixed for you and probably make a video too. Thanks for watching.